G'day guys, Alan here. Just a quick video to explain why you haven't seen any machining or metalworking content for a little while. It'll be another week or so before you do. I'm sure married men amongst the group will be familiar with if you want a happy life, keep your wife happy. Well, that's what this has been all about. So for the last week or two, I've been working on making a table, which is what my dearly beloved other half asked for me to do. So there it is. I won't go into any detail, didn't film it because it's not the right channel for that. Only thing I'll say is it was made completely out of scraps with no nails, so zero metalworking. The only interesting thing perhaps are the way the legs are made. I wanted the thing to be as light as possible, so I don't know how well that'll show up, but the legs are made from strips mitered and glued at 45 degrees to each other, and that's probably the most interesting part of the construction. Anyway, other half's happy, so now I'm free to get back to doing the stuff I normally do. Cheers.